guys, how you doing? It's the Honey Do Carpenter. This is it. This is the end. This is the complete rest, the third part to putting the air conditioner together. And we're going to take you through all the way to it being completed. So, I hope you're excited. I know I am. And I'm sure we'll be launching that Kickstarter probably this weekend. No? Oh, Mrs. Honeydew. She's shaking her head. We got a lot of work to do. Okay guys, this is the top part where I poured the Air Crete in. It didn't need to be this high. I just poured it this high above the holes because I wanted to make sure it was plenty moist below during the cure out. While it was curing out, I kept sprinkling water on this to make sure it got good and stiff and hard. Yeah.
Wow.
It is.
I was pushing hard enough, my finger went white.
I know, it's pretty hard. In fact, I have a test block that I poured during this pour in the bottom of a 5-gallon bucket in a and that's how it turned out.
Wow.
Yeah, it turned out good. That's the bottom. This is the top. I had it in a bag, so I didn't bother sprinkling moisture on it, but it turned out
wow.
pretty good. So and then on the bottom, you know, I think it'll be pretty good mix. And the thing I like about it is, I picked at it here to see what kind of consistency it was. I'll try and break it over my rice. I don't know if it will.
It did.
It did. So you can see it's still really wet inside, but that's the consistency. Not too aerated, but not too dense. So water should flow through it just fine, but at the same time, it's got plenty of mass and aeration to be a good Air Crete.
Now that was only at 48 hours, and it was pretty tough to break.
Yeah. I had to hit it hard on my vise. Okay guys, what I'm going to do right now, you wouldn't want to wait like a whole week. You want to do it within the first 48, 72 hours while the Air Crete isn't completely cured out, or it'd be a pain in the butt. Okay, because I'm going to have to kind of chip this stuff out of there, and you want it when it's relatively soft. So I know there's a row of skewers right here, here, and here. I'm going to try and go between them and get to the plastic. And then on the outside, I'm going to bevel it down toward the bottom of the plexiglass that I put in. Okay, let's see if this is going to work. Some of them got hit and they felt like they broke. I'm just prying up on that. Oh, it's coming. Oh. That one worked. Oh, it came. Boy, once they come pretty easy.
It's funny because it's stripes.
Yeah. Okay guys, so now we got these sealed around a little piece of PVC or poly pipe that we put over the hole. So I just am going to pull all these out. Oh wow, look, they're already starting to get discolored. And you remember before we did that, we pushed all the way down and broke a hole through the tape in the bottom one that we had taped before we poured it. All the stainless steel padding or whatever you want to call it in the supercooling tubes. And this is the bottom of the unit. We need to poke some holes in here so that the water can run through it and out. So I'm just going to use this. No. Plexiglass. I had no idea how I was going to do that. Okay, now we have our... I went out to my shop to get this. Obviously, I've had it a while. Had a lot of dust on it. It's high density foam tape for doors and windows. hold it so it doesn't slide down while grab my top
Is it okay holding
I think this looks pretty cool so far. What do you think?
I think it's awesome.
Okay. As long as we agree on that, as long as we got that straight, then it's awesome. It hasn't rolled over any one hole yet.
There it is.
Oh yeah, there it did. We're running 60.8 degrees on our Air Crete block. I don't know, that's pretty incredible, guys. Considering I'm in a house, I just started this up and it's 76 degrees on our thermostat, so holy cow, it seems like a success. 59.9, 60.2, 59.9. And guys, this whole thing is running on either, well, the water pump's running on 6 volts, 2 watts. This fan here is running on 9 volts. And also this fan, even though it can run on 12, it's running on 9 volts as well. Like 4 or 5 watts. This thing is gonna run off a solar panel like a champ. Hey guys, if you like what we're doing here, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Be sure and click the bell at the bottom to get notifications. And you know what? Check us out on our Etsy store. We're either on our website at honeydoocarpentershop.com, or we're at the Honey Do Carpenter shop on Etsy. And go check out and see what you need to do to get a foam mate for yourself so you can start doing some of these Air Crete projects. They're awesome.